eating around the world
without leaving New York City.
They were at Triple D's in Brooklyn. First things first, I got a ting, and then this brown stew chicken. Tried a couple of times and they always sell out the ackee and saltfish, so we got this brown stew chicken.
The chicken is fall off the bone tender and comes in a rich gravy with rice. I stole a sip of the ting before heading to the islands. You can see Sai is pretty excited for this one.
It was early doors, so it was takeaway only, and our jerk chicken came with rice and peas and steamed veg. Love the flavour of this chicken, though seemed cooked differently to other jerk we've had.